Welcome to LearningMole. Today we are thinking about phonics explained and really going through all the different terminology and the steps to teaching your child or working with your child on phonics in school or at home. So we're going to look at step 1, which is decoding, and that will be the first step in your child's phonics journey. Decoding is basically being able to recognise a letter and to say the sound that it represents. So children initially will be introduced probably to the sounds before they are even introduced to the letters. It just depends on the phonics program that your child is following, but a lot of phonics programs really focus on the sounds first, and then the letter representation of the grapheme comes later. But basically, the idea of decoding is that a child can look at a letter in a page or on a book and know the sound that represents. If your child is following the likes of Jolly Phonics program, or lots of other programs do this as well, they will be introduced to these letters, these graphemes and these sounds first. So it will be S-A-T-P-I-N. The reason that they're introduced to those sounds first is because these letters can come together to make a good variety of words. So the children can actually start to decode these sounds to read very, very simple words. So for example, S-A-T. Immediately, if they've learnt those 3 sounds, they can start to decode a word. They know the S is represented by the sound S, A, T, sat. So they can start to create very, very small CVC words. Again, pin, pat, sit. So there are lots of combinations that your child can make with these words and can decode those little letters to then start reading. So your first step would be decoding.